Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Introducing EcoShine Prime, specifically designed for ultrasound cleaning of all types of jewelry. Specifically designed for ultrasound cleaning of all types of jewelry, gold, silver, brass, diamonds, and more. Our carefully crafted products provide a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. Removes dirt, tarnish, and grime. EcoShine Prime can be used in all ultrasonic machines, Lunex and spinner polisher. The process is very easy. Step 1. Add DM water in the ultrasonic machine for good recovery. Step 2. Set temperature. Temperature should be between 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Add EcoShine Prime. Ratio uses 15 ml EcoShine Prime for 1 liter DM water. Step 5. Clean articles. In this process, clear dirt from the minutest places of articles.